America, I'm here today to address you about the draft opinion Samuel Alito authored. I will never call that person justice anything because he definitely does not serve justice or the U.S. Constitution, having seen his draft opinion on abortion laws. Samuel Alito is a traitor to the U.S. Constitution when it comes to abortion laws, and I will prove that beyond a shadow of a doubt. First, all abortion laws are unconstitutional because no human law can determine when life is life and death is death. This is God's domain. Any human law that tries to change when a birth or death occurs is playing God. And every abortion law currently operates by allowing humans to take this moment of judgment from God's domain to command another person's life. This is unconstitutional. If we have laws letting people in power decide when a person is born instead of God, how long until these people in power have laws deciding when our deaths are instead of God? Second, all abortion laws are unconstitutional because they violate the Fourth Amendment's protection of human rights against unreasonable searches and seizures. Without violating HIPAA laws, there is no way to know a woman is pregnant without an invasive search of the person thought to be pregnant. Without the intervention of medical science, no one outside of the pregnant woman has any way to actually know 100% a woman is pregnant. Currently, all abortion laws are unconstitutional by allowing lawmakers to use private information to command doctors to refuse pregnant women the rights of body autonomy. Even if you think these lawmakers can make these laws, they are not executable since the laws require a doctor to give the law enforcement arm of government private medical information. Third, all abortion laws are unconstitutional because they violate the 14th Amendment protection of human rights. I quote, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without the due process of law, nor deny any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. So, persons born. Person is defined as a human being regarded as an individual. Born is defined as brought forth by or as if by birth. Birth is defined as the emergence of a new individual from the body of its parent, the act or process of bringing forth young from the womb. This definition makes clear that any unborn baby is not a person or born as we use the English language in our current laws. All abortion laws are unconstitutional because they have humans redefine when a new person is born, in spite of the fact that this person is not yet an individual that can have any voice or personal representation in a court of law. Parents sign any legal document for their children under 18 already, thus proving that kids making legal choices without their parents' consent is extremely rare. These abortion laws are also unconstitutional because there is no way a pregnant woman could take her unborn child to a court of law to get her and the baby due process. No one can say what the unborn want. They have no communication skills because they're not an individual until born. To be clear, no one likes any unborn child dying, but it is not logical that we throw away human rights to play God when we get sad. This is not a healthy way to interact with the world and is the same logic Putin uses to engage in a deadly war of genocide in Ukraine while saying he is saving lives. The Supreme Court justices should be ashamed that this draft opinion even exists and should be avowing to expose those attacking the U.S. Constitution. They should not be attacking the person who leaked the information to protect the U.S. Constitution. The draft leaker is currently the only person in the Supreme Court upholding the oath to protect the United States Constitution. Thank you to those who protect Americans and the U.S. Constitution for the people.